Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to a new video from the speaker guys. So today we will do a comparison between the Arcsound Haze Gen 2 and the Soundboks 3 outdoor. So it will be an outdoor sound comparison, and we will mostly see the difference in terms of how loud the Haze can go, because the Soundboks 3 is quite a lot louder, I would guess. So we will compare them, where the Soundboks is going to be playing at its best sound mode, which is Bass Plus in the Soundboks app, and the Arcsound will be playing with maximum treble and bass, and we will switch from one to each other. And we will start off with a lower volume. Also I will put the Soundboks on a volume that is the same as this one, and then I will increase a little bit, go to half, and then I will go and try this at maximum, and the Soundboks I will be putting on a volume that is the same as this is maximum. So I won't go maximum with the Soundboks in this video, because that you can see in another video, it's crazy loud. So yeah, so a comparison video. Later we might do a sound test from further away on this speaker. Well, if you want to see something like that, then you can let us know down in the comments. So let's get started. Okay, so the Arcsound is on volume 4 out of 32, but it's quite loud in the beginning, and Soundboks 3 is at 3 out of 11, but you will see that the Arcsound will not increase as much after that. Yeah, so let's start here, and we will start with the Arcsound.
Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah.
Okay, let's increase the volume on the Arcsound now a bit. So let's see, let's try 8 out of 32, and the Soundboks it should be about, I think, 4.5. So let's go with the Arcsound.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. There'll be. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. Treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm.
Let's go to half volume here on the Arcsound. So it is 16. Soundboks, that should be, I think, 6 on the beginning of volume 6. Arcsound playing now.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Alright, so now we're going to increase it even more. So from 16 to, let's say, 75% or something. So that should be, that's 23. Well, 22 first, I think, yeah. And Soundboks, that should be about the beginning of 7. Oh, and the Arcsound again.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. I'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay, so now we're getting closer to maximum volume. Now I will put them on about, or the Arcsound will be on, because 32 is the maximum. So let's take like 27, so, or 28. So that's about 90% volume now. And on the Soundboks, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the beginning of 8, I believe. Yeah, or nah, because it's actually been a little bit quieter, so let's take full 8 on Soundboks. So because on the Soundboks you have like 2 steps in each volume as well, so full 8 volume. Alright, and a new song, and let's start with the Arcsound once again. Okay, now the Soundboks is a bit louder, so let's just go to maximum here on the Arcsound and see what it's got. All right, there we go. Arcsound again. Maximum volume on the Arcsound. And 8 out of 11 on the Soundboks. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, far on the edge. We might fall apart, far on the edge. Can we break free? Can we break free? Okay, I actually feel it's a bit louder than I expected, so I think the Soundboks might need to be on actually 9 out of 11. This, wow, it's quite loud. So let's, oh, I don't know if you can see, but let's put it on 9, the start of the 9th volume. So yeah, damn, it's impressive. Let's go. No, it's still, I mean, still, it still needs, okay, let's put full 9. It's actually loud, louder than I expected. All right, full 9 volume on Soundboks, maximum on the Arcsound. Okay, let's go a bit further away now. Okay, so about 20 meters away. Okay, I just wanted to go behind them as well to see how they sound from behind. Soundboks 3. Okay, so that was the sound comparison itself, and now you will hear my own personal comments on these speakers. First of all, I'm very impressed with the Arcsound. I mean, especially the loudness, I would say, because its maximum volume is like 9 on the Soundboks volume, which is impressive. I didn't think it would be that loud. And then when it comes to the sound, I would say bass-wise, the Soundboks is better. It has that, it's not the most deep bass speaker out of all, but the Soundboks definitely has, you know, that you like the deep bass still on it. Compared to the Arcsound, it's not really got that super deep bass. It's still fine, but not super deep. Mids, I would say, on the Arcsound are lacking a little bit. They're not really there. The Soundboks has more of that mid type of sound, which is very good on it. And then when it comes to treble, the Arcsound might be a bit more crisp on the treble, but the Soundboks is still good. It's not as ear-piercing as it might be on the Arcsound, and the Soundboks is more good at the entire sound spectrum, I would say. And when it comes to instrument separation, the Soundboks is better. I mean, it's more focusing on those different types of highs, mids and lows, and you can hear the different instruments a bit better, I would say. So yes, so sound-wise still the Soundboks is the best. Volume-wise, it's very close to Arcsound. 90%, or I mean maximum volume on the Arcsound is like 9 out of 11 on Soundboks. But above 90% volume on the Arcsound, it gets distorted. I think you could hear it, that the 8-inch woofers, they were moving so much that it made the sound kind of scratchy, and like it sounded like it was playing a bass boosted sound or song. So that made the sound a bit more on the negative side. It wasn't really disrupting the entire sound, but it definitely didn't sound like serious good speaker quality there at maximum volume. Compared to Soundboks, it doesn't have any distortion, except that it just loses a little bit of its deep bass. So yeah, because the Arcsound has 140 watts of power, the Soundboks has 216, so it's a little bit different there with the bass and the woofers, but otherwise I'm overall very impressed with the Arcsound. I mean, that loudness is insane, and it still sounds good up to 90% volume. It definitely is projecting the sound a far distance, and it's perfect for parties, especially when you have the microphone that we didn't test today. But yeah, so like I said in the beginning of the video, if you would like to see us testing the Arcsound from a further distance, like 200 meters, then you can let us know down in the comments. We would like to do that quite soon. Anyways, I don't have anything more, so thank you so much for watching this video.